Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saili and today I'm going to share with you my most favorite thing, which is footwear, and I love footwear and bags. I've done my bag collection video. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you do check that out. So today I'm going to share with you Ajio footwear haul. So recently I shopped from Ajio. Now I have heard a lot of Ajio footwears and I was very excited to try them out. So I shopped from Ajio and today I'm going to share with you my experience. Also there is going to be a try on haul. So make sure you watch the video till the end and do follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. Like, share and subscribe to my channel as well if you are new here. So now let's get started. So the first one are this very cute strappy kitten heels. So this is how they look. This is the lavender and pink color heels, very cute. And as you can, so this is the heel size, it's 2.75 inches. Pretty comfortable, not very small, not very long. I like this length of heel. Also, as you can see at the front, the design here, the shape is very different. I really like the shape, and also there is some print going on here which looks very cute in that pink and white stripes, and the stripes are going all over here. I really like it, looks very cute as you can see, and it's very comfortable to wear as well. If you are okay with wearing a little bit of higher heels, I think this is the perfect. They are not very small, not very heighted heels, so you can definitely wear it normally. Also it's very comfortable. The material is really nice and very sturdy. I really like it. And in the front you can see this cut work. It looks very elegant, and the quality of this sandal is very nice and very sturdy. Even the heel is very sturdy, so I really like that. This is from Ajio and I just love this sandal. This is very nice, comfortable to wear. Even if you're going for office or college, it is very good to wear on a daily basis. So a thumbs up for this one. I got it for discount for 708 rupees, which is a great deal. So if you are looking forward for a very nice elegant piece which can go on a traditional wear as well as modern dresses like one piece and jeans, you can definitely give this a try. So my size is 39, but I got this in 40 because size was not available. So I got a bigger size, but this is also not that big for my feet, so I can work with this, and I really like this one. So the second one is this very nice yellow color kitten heels, and this is how they look. So these are the pointy heels and the straps are really nice. I really like this. The pointy heels are very trendy nowadays. Also the heel of this is again 2.75 inches, which is a very comfortable, not too long, not too short. I really like it. The straps are really nice and sturdy. This is again from Ajio. The only problem I am facing is that the side straps are loose. The right one is very loose. I don't know why is that. I got this in size 39, which is my size, but I don't know, the right one was very loose. This strap and this strap is very loose, so I don't think I can work with it. I'm probably gonna exchange this, but this is again very comfortable to wear, very lightweight. You don't feel pain in your heels when you wear it. I have worn it for some time to check out, and I really like this heel, but the only problem is the difference between the two footwears. I don't know why is that. I'm probably gonna exchange this one. So the discounted price of this sandal is 708 rupees again, and I really like it. Very comfortable to wear and very lightweight. So moving on to flats, I got two flats, one for me and one for my mom. So these one are the first one. This is in the tan color and the bells are in yellow color. Again, this is from Ajio. These are the complete flat sandals, and the sole of this one is very nice. It's not very hard. It's really very comfortable to wear for day-to-day life. I really like this, and I got this in size 38, which is UK 6, and this was very affordable, you guys. The belts are also very sturdy and you can definitely wear it every day. Even it doesn't have any back strap for the support, but the belt itself gives a really nice support to your face. That's why you can easily walk in that. I really like them and they go with everything. Also, I got this for really great discount, which was for only 226 rupees. So the next one is very similar to the earlier one, and this is how it looks. This is in black color with the rose gold one, also flat sandals, and it is in the size again 38. Now I got this for my mom, so she really like it. The flats are very comfortable. Again, the sole and everything is very similar to the first one, so she really like it. It's very comfortable and also looks very stylish. I really like this rose gold thing, and obviously me and my mom have the same size, so I'm definitely gonna use this as well. This goes really nice on some traditional wear, some kurta and like that stuff, so I'm very looking forward to try this on. But my mom had used it and she really like it. So if you're looking for some flats which will look very nice and also very comfortable, you can definitely go for this one. Also, the price is again similar. It's 226 or 28 rupees, something like that. Very affordable. So if you're looking for a great sandal comfortable flats, you can definitely try this out from Ajio. So you will find all the links in the description bar, also the discounted prices. The prices may vary now because I shopped it like 1 month ago, almost 1 month ago, so the prices may vary. And this is not at all sponsored by Ajio. I have paid for all this. And so the next two are for my sisters, and this is the first one. So these are the wedges and this is how it looks. Okay, let me just hold them properly so you can see. So this is how they look, very nice, and they are in white color and they are wedges. So they have the platform at the bottom and the heel. Again, the heel is, I guess, 2.5 inches or 2.75 inches, similar to what I showed you before. This is in the size, let me just see, 36. So this is in the size 36. My sister has a small feet. So this is how they look. I really like this white beige kind of a color. It's very different from the normal footwears we generally take, so I really like this color. Again, the platform is really nice. The heel is very sturdy and nice and very comfortable and lightweight to wear, so you can use this on daily basis as well. If you are looking for something like this which will give you a little bit of height and you can easily wear this in your day-to-day life, you should definitely check this out. It's very light and very comfortable. Also, it comes with a strap and you can according to your size you can just do loose or tight. So this is very nice, very comfortable to the leg. It will give you a proper grip, so I think this is a really nice buy for this price range. I think this is really nice. So the price of this one is around 740 to 750 rupees. I'm not sure. I'll put it in the description bar for you guys. So I think you should definitely give this a try. They are very comfortable or very nice, and I myself is looking forward to buy such wedges. I really like it. Also, I forgot to mention the brand, so I'm just going to tell the brand. It's from Mark London. It's not from Ajio, but you can get it from Ajio. I don't really know the brand, but I think they are doing a fantastic job for a good heel and very lightweight, and you can wear it day to day as well. So the next one are this very cute little pumps. So these are not actually pumps, but they are kind of them, and it's very cute. It has this very little bow at the back which looks super cute. I really like it, and the color is very pretty, as you can see. Again, the heel of this one is 2.5 inches. The size is 38. Now this one I got for my sister. So as I told you, her feet are little smaller than mine, but she needed 38 in this one. So you probably do check the size chart before you buy, because the brands are different. This is from the brand London Steps. Now again, this is, so my sister is not very into the heels. I am the one who loves heels, but she's exactly opposite. She loves shoes and very casual wear shoes, sandals, but she was looking forward to try the heels, and these heels are very comfortable, you guys. If you are someone like her who doesn't wear heels a lot, you can try with these heels. Even a 1 inch smaller also can work for you guys if you're really starting out, but you can definitely give this a try. The heels give a very nice look to your feet and it will look very elegant, so make sure you really check that out. All the sandals I love, they are very comfortable, lightweight, and also affordable. I got this on discount. This one was for 647 rupees, and as I mentioned earlier, I will put all the links and all the prices in the description bar, so you can check that out. Also, the prices may vary because when I bought it there was a huge discount going on, but Ajio always has discount now and then, so you can definitely check that out. Also, so now let's check the try on haul, how this heels and flats look on my legs. So if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, and also comment down below which one is your favorite sandal in this haul. Also, so lots of new content is also uploading on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the bottom section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my cooking channel if you're interested in cooking. The link will be in the description bar as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.